back in China for the first time since 2019. One of the spiritual homes of Formula E, given that this country was where Formula E began back in 2014. And what a way we have come since then. Shanghai E-Prix is underway. It's a slow start there for Jean-Eric Vergne, but even slower from Oliver Rowland off the front row of the grid, and Pascal Wehrlein as well. Costa is trying to switch it back here on the inside and get ahead, but Evans is wise to that. Goes for the inside line again against him at the final corner. It's Mitch Evans then going for the outside line into the first corner. Dennis versus Vergne once again down into T1, but what's happening for the lead? Evans has taken over from Wehrlein. Cassidy's got more expendable energy, but has he got time to be able to use it? Through the final corner, Mitch Evans is going to take the win in Shanghai. Evans does it, second place for Wehrlein. We are in Shanghai for our second race of the weekend. Jake Hughes does it and takes pole position by the tightest margin we've ever seen. And we're underway. Good start for Jake Hughes. Not bad also from Softman on the front row. Keeps an eye out for the Costa trying to challenge as we head 3 wide down towards the first corner. Back on the inside. Hughes slots into second. DaCosta does indeed slot into third place. Line at turn 7. Nato's trying to firm it around the outside, but can Hughes keep a wheel on the inside? Close quarters between the two for second, third. What a fantastic, commanding, controlled drive from Antonio Felix DaCosta. He comes around the final corner to